guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Cricut vinyl Starbucks decal. Let's go and get into it. Now I already have a pattern selected for my Starbucks cup, so I'm going to go ahead and open that project and click customize. So now I have it here. I'm just going to move it over on the grid and select upload. I'm going to bring that SVG that we downloaded earlier into Cricut Design Space. Now the dimensions are exactly as the standard venti cold to go cups. You don't want to go ahead and change this, or else the SVG will be smaller than your cup and it won't fit. So just leave the dimensions as is. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my mermaid pattern to the front of the project, bringing it over the Starbucks cup SVG here, enlarging it and just moving it over our SVG, just like this. Okay, so now you're gonna go ahead and select both layers, just like that. And now you'll see that slice is black and you can select it. If it was grayed out, you're gonna have to make sure that you only have 2 layers here. So go ahead, select those 2 layers and select slice. Now it does just take a second on my computer. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull apart my few different layers here now. So I'm gonna delete this one. I don't want that one. It's gonna give you multiple different options here. So I'm actually going to use this pink one right here, and I'll remove the other 2 that I have left over. So now I have my pattern here ready for my Starbucks cup. Now what I'm actually going to do is alter this once more. So all these extra little side pieces here, I'm actually going to go ahead and remove those. I won't be needing those on my cup, so I'm going to remove them, and then we will add some regular size fins here additionally, just in case we end up needing more for the cup. So let's go ahead, select that SVG and select contour in the bottom right corner. Just removing those little extra pieces you can see here. Press X and now it will come back with all of those contoured pieces removed. Now we'll go ahead, select this, and we will copy and paste another version. Now what we're going to do this time is select contour again. And now what I'm going to do instead is hide all contours. And then I'll just go ahead and go in and select a few nice whole fins that I see, and that should be enough. So just hit X again, and now you'll see just those fins that you've selected. So now what I'm going to do, I have my SVG of my Starbucks cup ready to go, and I have those extra fins just in case, contingent on any of my other little pieces not working out. I have extras for backup. So now I'm going to go into the right top corner of Cricut Design Space and select Make It. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and press Continue. Okay, so we've selected the type of material and we're using the fine point blade. Now we're gonna go ahead and start cutting. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my mat into my machine. Now I'm clicking the Cricut button to start my project. Alright, so now the project has been cut out. I'm removing my vinyl from the cutting mat. And now I'm removing the extra vinyl from my project. That way I don't waste any. I'm going to use this for customization later. Okay, just weeding the project and applying the transfer tape. I'm just going ahead and making sure that the transfer tape is stuck to the vinyl here. I had a hard time pulling the vinyl off of the backing initially. And I'm surprised I got this on the first take. It was surprisingly really easy. My husband was helping me by holding the cup, but it was surprisingly really easy to apply this onto the cup today. Just going through and making sure that it's lying flat and peeling back that transfer tape. Now I'm checking to make sure that none of the fins or any pieces are pulled back. And this is the finished product. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. If you enjoyed this video, click on the screen right now for some more awesome projects. See you soon. Bye.